and I'm standing in front of this encoder range of products from Renishaw, which is very popular among all the manufacturers.
So basically, encoder is mainly used in an application where we need a feedback for any kind of position. So there will be two position. One is linear and one is rotary. So we have a solution for all different kind of position feedback applications. Mainly, this encoder is used in on different kind of machines. So what are the applications mainly we are catering through this encoder product line is we have a solution for robotic industries, we have a solution for CNC machine tools, we have a solution for metrology industries. People who are making XY stage, we are supplying these encoders to those people also. People who are making rotary tables, we are giving encoders to rotary table manufacturers also. So all various applications we are catering through these different models. So we have a very vast range of models to cater all different kind of applications. In our range, we have optical and magnetic, two different kind of applications. Again, in optical and magnetic, we have absolute and incremental encoders. So we can cater all different variety of applications through this encoder.
Fantastic. So can you please explain me about why optical or magnetic are used in different cases?
Yeah.
Can you explain
So
more?
when people need very fine feedback, like in terms of micron, people need the feedback, and when they want a very high accuracy, then where we use optical encoders, where the people need feedback, but the accuracy is very coarser. At those kind of application can be used in magnetic encoder. Again, it based on the applications and it based on the accuracy requirement. People are using different variety of encoders.
Great. So can you please elaborate more on in which kind of application specifically optical feedback is required?
Okay. So applications like CNC machine tool, where we need very precision feedback. So we use optical encoder. But some of the applications like XY stage, where we many manufacturers doesn't need so much fine precise feedback, where we are using magnetic encoder.
Okay. So is it this solution is for end users also, or I mean to say that it can be retrofitted in the older machines or only for the new machines?
So both the applications we can cater. So many integrators who are doing retrofitting work, they use our product, and the OEM who are making the machines or different kind of equipment, they are also using our product.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I mean, then I think not only OEMs but end users can
be
also take advantage of this kind of product, and they can retrofit your products
Yes.
for the better performance.
Yes.
Great, sir. Thank you for explaining in such a good way.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
so
lot.
much. Thank you.